dramatic twist to the recent 12-day war between Israel and Iran, Israeli Defense Minister Israel Katz made a stunning claim that Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei was nearly assassinated, but he managed to disappear underground just in time. Katz boldly told Israeli TV that if Khamenei had been in their sights, they would have taken him out. But the Iranian leader went very deep underground and cut off contact with his commanders, making the mission impossible for now. In multiple TV interviews, Katz revealed that they searched a lot not for regime change but to pressure Iran's leadership, and the goal was to shake up Iran's top command and disrupt its ability to act, not topple the government entirely. Notably, between June 13 and 25, Israel launched massive airstrikes targeting senior Iranian officials and nuclear scientists. Katz said that these actions maintained Israel's air dominance and sent a message that no rebuilding of nuclear or missile programs would be tolerated by Israel. When asked if the US approved the hunt for Khamenei, Katz replied that they do not need permission for these things. He even compared Khamenei to Hezbollah's leader Hassan Nasrallah, who was killed last year. Meanwhile, US President Donald Trump added to the pressure as on June 17 he posted that they know exactly where the so-called supreme leader is hiding, but they're not going to take him out or kill for now. But behind the scenes, Trump authorized Operation Midnight Hammer, which was a string of precise airstrikes on 3 key Iranian nuclear sites. However, once the US brokered ceasefire took effect, Israel stepped back. Katz confirmed that they won't pursue Khamenei now. There's a difference before the ceasefire and after. Still, he warned Iran that future provocations will meet a strong response. So what's next? Well, talks between the US and Iran are expected soon with help from Qatar, and the aim is to push Iran towards a civilian, non-enrichment nuclear program. But Israel remains alert, watching, waiting and ready to act if needed. Were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.